We're jumping straight in, covering Tony Robbins' Unlimited Power. Today we're on to the third key principle from the book. You can achieve anything through the 5-step process of modelling. Have you ever admired someone and thought, there's no way I'll ever be as good at my job as they are? Well, don't sell yourself short. There are concrete methods to reach any goal. By emulating the strategies, attitudes and skills of successful people, you can achieve similar results. This is called modelling, and it allows you to achieve whatever skills you desire, even the ones that might not be in your field of expertise. For instance, Tony Robbins knows nothing about shooting guns, but he accepted an offer from the US Army to come in and improve the shooting accuracy of its soldiers. When he arrived, only 70% of the recruits were passing the final shooting test. So Tony Robbins looked closely at the top performers and started modelling a new training program after them. He studied everything: how they thought, how they held their bodies, how they decided when to fire a shot. By following the new program and modelling their behaviour after the top performers, 100% of the new recruits passed the test with flying colours. So how exactly did Tony Robbins do this? Well, he follows a 5-step process and it works for just about anything. Say you want to be a better downhill skier. First, find a gold medal skier and study the exact movements that person uses to glide along the slopes. Second, practice by imitating and reproducing these movements yourself, something many athletes do automatically. Third, visualize the gold medal winning skier in your mind's eye. Picture every movement in detail until you have the full image of what perfect skiing looks like. Fourth, picture yourself in the place of the expert skier in your visualization and imagine your own perfect movements. You might see yourself fall or struggle at first, but continue visualizing until you're just as good as the expert. Fifth and finally, take it to the slopes. You find that the visualization pays off in the real world and your performance will improve.